Hi guys, it's Debbie from What's Mama Cooking For Us. And today I'm going to show you how to make a store-bought or frozen pizza better. And who doesn't like to grab these in the store? They're really cheap and way cheaper than ordering out. But sometimes they kind of rob us on the toppings. So what I do and what I've been doing for years is I got this one at Aldi's. It was $5.99, which you can't beat it. It's a 16-inch. And it's the Supreme, so it's got everything, you know, a lot of goodies on it already. Oh, let's hold that up. And then, you know, a lot of times everything shifts, so you just move them, you know, over because they move in shipping. But so you see how they put this pretty side on here, which the pizza probably moved. See, the pizza probably spun around because see how they made it look really great right here. But anyway, you know, I don't know if they do that on purpose or just shifts and, you know, whatever. But, so what I like to do is move, you know, a lot of these things over so you can, you know, make sure everybody's getting something in every bite. Yeah. And then I like to keep things in my freezer. Like I usually keep peppers and onions in my freezer. And that's what I have here. Can of mushrooms, some onions, green olives, garlic, oregano, hot pepper flakes, and of course some more extra mozzarella. So let's put on some oregano. And that'll just help make it taste better already. Because these pizzas are usually, you know, pretty good if the sauce is okay. Because I'm funny about the sauces, but there. And a lot of garlic. Let's make this thing taste good. And some hot pepper flakes make everything taste better. Okay, that's my oven is up to temperature. And the box said, I think, 375, so that's what I put it on. I'm being silly. It's hot today. It's been hot the last few days here in New York. And we've been crying for this. And now we've got it. Yeah. This heat, unbearable. To me, I don't know. Then some olives. Look at that, you guys. And lots of onions, because I love onions. Oh my God, when I called to order onions on my pizzas, the only one that ever used to give you a lot was Alice's, and everyone else you have to say extra, extra onions. And then they try to charge you for them. They're so cheap. And they give you like 6 on the whole pizza. Okay, so that's looking good. Let's get these peppers on. Like I said, these are frozen, but they'll thaw out and cook just nice. Oops, of course I'm not on the picture, or the frame here. Okay, yeah, look at that. Okay, so that's everything. And look at that. Just to grab some things out of my, and sometimes I'll have fresh, tongue twister, fresh mushrooms, or just whatever else you like. Tomatoes, you know, load it on there. And then this is going to make a delicious pizza. And I know this is easy and simple, but I just thought I'd share it with you. So if you're ever at home and you're just like, I got a frozen pizza in there, but I don't want that. Then you say, oh, I'll do what What's Mama Cooking told me to do. She told me to doctor that thing up and make it good. And that's what I'm going to do. So yeah, there it is. And let's put some more oregano on the top. Yum. Look at that. So that is going in the oven for, I don't know, about 15 to 20 minutes. But I'll let you know when it comes out. And once again, I'm going to use the little, well, this one comes with its own little pizza thing under there. It's under there. And I use that to slide it in onto my pizza stone, and you can do that too. And I use it to pull it out too in some pot holders. So yeah, give us a try, guys. But stay tuned so you can see how good and delicious it's going to be at the end. Okay, guys, look at that. Doesn't that look beautiful? Nice crust. Ooh, look at the spices. Yum. And then I always like to add a little more hot pepper flakes. Usually just for some. Some people don't like extra. And I like to put some Parmesan cheese. Ooh, and let it melt right into the other cheese. Look at that. And of course, if you watched yesterday or the day before, I'm still missing my pizza cutter. So I got to use this big old knife. Look at it. It's as big as the pizza to cut it. But I just wanted to show you, I also made some sun tea today. I put it out in the sun in a jar like this with a lid. And then I just put about 3 tea bags. Whoops. Slippery little sucker. There it goes. And I made hibiscus and green tea, which is, hibiscus tea is so healthy for you. It's even healthier than green tea. And if you like it or you've never tried it, give it a try. Let's see how good this tastes. Oh my God, look at this. My glass is dripping. I just bought these on sale. Maybe that's why they're on sale, because there's something wrong with them. Get things on clearance. I bought them at Peebles on clearance. Alright, let me come back and fix that problem and cut us a slice. Yeah, there's always got to be a mishap in my video. But anyway, we got a new fresh glass, which says ice cold drink on it. And I love these glasses. But anyway, I got a nice one here ready to go. And I put it out in the sun about 10 o'clock today. And brought it back in around 2 or 3. I forget what time now, but just leave it out there for a few hours. And you don't have to do anything. You don't boil the water. You just put plain water. Put it in the sun, and it tastes delicious. And of course, I don't put any sugar in mine, but you can put sugar in yours. But with sun tea, you really don't need sugar. But here's our slice today. And look at this. I'm even using paper plates because it is too hot here in New York. Let's give it a bite. Look at that. Oh, I could only take a tiny bite because it's so hot. But yeah, I didn't put cheese all the way because this is really bigger than my pizza stone. So I didn't want it to go down around. So that's why you'll see there's a little, you know, extra spots. But give this a try whenever you have a frozen pizza or just a store-bought pizza. And yeah, it's simple, it's easy. I mean, many people probably do it already, but I just thought I'd share it with you guys. So in case you're in this dilemma and you're like, oh, I don't want that. But, ooh, if I could put some extra of this and, ooh, some of that. I mean, put some meats on there. Put some ham, some chicken. Oh, my God, we've even put meatballs, you know, break them up. Sausage, yeah. So I didn't have any of that today, but lots of veggies. All right, so I'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching. Of course, thanks for supporting me. Click the like button. If you're new, click the the support button, the subscribe button, and the bell so you always know when I'm coming up with a new one. And I got another video coming up, so stay tuned for that. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Be blessed, everyone. Bye.